support पाकिस्तान बचाए, कायद-ए-आज़म सपोर्ट को अपने क़याम के 5 साल पूरे होने पर
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The day marks an important milestone in the ever-happening process of evolution, growth and development of this great institution. My dear cadets, today's parade and your enthusiasm is the reflection of your commitment and flawless training standard being imparted here. The profound glimmer and unconquerable resolve in your eyes is what our enemies dread the most. Your resounding oath will continue to echo in the hearts of everyone present here today. I am sure till such time this resolve, love of motherland and unflinching sincerity continues to animate our spirits, we need not fear anyone except Allah Almighty. My dear cadets, today Pakistan is alhamdulillah strong and progressing well among the community of nations despite living in turbulent times. The month of August is a reminder of our priceless freedom earned after a long, arduous and unprecedented struggle and sacrifices of our forefathers. Our vibrant and industrious youth is our pride, and I believe that the commandments of Qaid-e-Azam, unity, faith and discipline will continue to guide you as future military leaders through numerous challenges that you will face in your careers. Ladies and gentlemen, I honestly believe that till the time we are together and united as a nation, no power on earth can think of harming us. The world is witness to our resolve that despite numerous socio-economic changes after independence, we have not only managed to survive but also became a strong country, overcame the worst form of terrorism and have stood firm to guard every inch of our motherland. A recent example of our resolve is our national response against both COVID and locust attack, wherein despite the lack of requisite infrastructure and resources, we displayed matchless harmony, discipline and imagination to contain their adverse effects. Suffice to say, whether it is war or an act of terrorism, a national emergency or a disaster of any scale, we are always first to respond, a fact duly recognized by the entire nation. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan today stands for peace and progress within and beyond its border. Our sincere efforts to promote and support a process in Afghanistan have been a strong manifestation of our vision for a peaceful, economically integrated and prosperous region. We have unambiguously and repeatedly asked global community to play its role in an exclusive and unbiased process as well as economic sustenance of Afghanistan to avoid a human catastrophe. No country can understand it better than us, as Pakistan paid a huge price for instability in Afghanistan. Despite our fragile economic condition, we have displayed unprecedented magnanimity toward our Afghan brethren by hosting over 3 million refugees for more than 4 decades. Let me, however, say that we will continue to play a mature and responsible role for peace and stability in Afghanistan, which is direly needed by the entire region in general and the people of our brotherly neighbors in particular. Ladies and gentlemen, in the month of independence, we cannot forget the Indian state of repression and resultant plight of our Kashmiri brethren in Indian occupied Kashmir, who are under the worst military occupation in human history. Let me reaffirm that Pakistani hearts beat with Kashmiris and we will continue to stand with them always and ever. International community must realize that the regional peace will remain elusive without a just and peaceful resolution of Kashmir issue. The people of subcontinent should also not forget that the ultimate goal of leaders of our collective freedom struggle against imperialism was to secure independent, harmonious and prosperous region where all newly created states could live peacefully. Unfortunately, these goals today have become hostage to increasing polarization and radicalization in our neighborhood. My dear gentlemen cadets, the future holds great challenge for you as the officers of Pakistan Army. A great deal of effort is being made by inimical forces to affect state and societal coherence in multiple ways in the form of hybrid warfare. Furthermore, the character of warfare is changing as well. Pakistan Army is fully cognizant of these challenges and taking requisite measures to further bolster our deterrence and defense capability by sharply focusing on core competencies and niche technologies. We all know that there is no sure guarantee of peace without effective and ever-ready armed forces. Your radiant faces reflect the hope and energy of this great nation. May Allah Almighty be with you and may continue to serve this nation with pride, honor, dignity, and with great sense of sacrifice. Pakistan Army Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.